Close all this. Excelente. Alternate game mode, simulacrum. I'm coming. Differente. The build. Should I do a huntress run? I feel like I should. Because of the pixel art that got decimated so hard. In honor. The huntress incident. I've actually never gone very far with a huntress in this game mode, so... Oh, there's glasses right there. Excellent. Four-minute run? Probably. The shit gets mad difficult. If I make it past wave 5, I'll be very impressed with myself. Are there pennies in this? No, there's not. Fuck. Give me a teddy bear. Gas, 100%. You're probably right. Give me the glasses. Prio number 1 until I get 100% crit chance. Okay. Okay, 20% crit chance. Listen, I'm gonna need some defense or some crazy... I need pennies. And healing. Like ASAP. Prio number 1. Honestly, healing would be the best right now. Damn. Alright, I like that. Alright, now I need pennies. That way I can take damage and heal through it all. Millionaire begging for pennies. Yep. True. Damn, I don't think I can get over there and grab that. Like, that right there seems too fucking difficult. Could I get it? Yes, I can. Is that a fuel cell? Extra charges of my R. That's pretty big. Oh god, fuck. Ooh, pennies. Oh my god, yes. Alright, now I can take damage and get money from it, and then I can heal through the damage I take. I just gotta get through wave 5, which is the wave after this. So as long as I farm enough money on this wave, I'll buy everything in the map and I'll easily be able to do it. Oh my god, hello? 3 crit glasses already? This is pretty sick. Kind of disgusting how lucky I'm getting. All right. A health flask in case I get low. But there's only 3 enemies remaining, so I need to keep one of them alive. Only one, though. Oh, fuck. I almost killed it. All right. Move cam a little bit. Oh, shit, you're right. There you go. This fucking teddy bear. Are you kidding me? 10% chance to block a hit, but it's like... feels like 50 right now. Alright, excellent. Fuck. Sticky bomb. Second med kit. Okay, my health pot just procced. What is that fucking range? That was my one defensive item. How many wisps do this? I wish I got gasoline. Holy shit. I got 0 AoE right now besides my right click. This is going to take a hot minute. Oh my god. $17 enemies remaining. I think I got it. All right. That was the most difficult wave, usually. Now it should be smooth-ish sailing. Hit me. Okay, fuck that. I'm too lazy. I don't feel like waiting. Let me find some boxes, because I got so much money right now. Everything's so damn far away. Oh, fuck, we're moving. Grab this. Legendary, maybe? Fuck. Take that. All right. That's pretty good. What is that a printer for? ATG missile. And I have green scrap or whatever, so I can get it guaranteed if I just get to it. Can definitely get to that. Gotta heal up though. Okay, grab this. Grab that. Fuck, there's a red box I want to grab too. Oh, whoops, wrong way. Shit. I'm an idiot. I need to heal. Medkit proc, please. Okay, I need to heal the fuck up. All right, where are some boxes? Okay, here's a tri-store. Wait a second. Did I ever grab the green, like, ball at the end of wave 5? I feel like I didn't. I literally forgot it, didn't I? Oops. That's a massive misplay. You can go back at the end of round 10? No, I cannot. I mean, the whole area will still be void at the end, right? Yeah, there it is. That little ball right there. No way I make it there. Unless I get like a legendary that gives me multiple teleports. Fuck it, Mocha. A chest here. I see a chest there too, above. Gimme, gimme. Take this. If I get corrupted shrooms, I'll be in really good hands. Ouchie. You'll probably drive with the green, or to the green with a potion. Is it worth the risk? Oh, this is wave 10. This is actually difficult. Fuck, hang on. Actually, no, I think it's 9. You're right. Yeah, this is easy. Never mind. The next one's gonna be fucked. Hello? Fuck it, more mocha. Here we go. Boss wave. print more ATGs? Dude, you're probably right. Do I have armor plating? I do. That helps me a lot versus the beams. Ouchie. One enemy remaining. Where art thou, bitch? Over here. Excellent. Wow, that's the worst legendary I've ever seen.
Why do I feel like I should actually not get the legendary and I should just get the wisp?
Like, it's just so trash and worthless. All right, now I don't have the consistent healing or anything. I can scrap some shitty greens though. That's something I can do, and replace them with ATGs. I think I'm gonna do that. At least the flower, for example. Oh, yikes! This is not good. Just gonna play it safe. Okay, so flower. Play it safe. Flower's not bad here. Trash. But yeah, I definitely want to keep my Yuki and my Wisp. All right, so that's a lot of scrap. Let's take these to the ATG printer. All right, what else do I want to do here? Might be something up here, like on this rock. Checking. Nothing. There's a tri-store there. I don't think I can reach that. Actually, I probably could. I definitely can. Okay, definitely. Probably can't. Teddy bear printer is big. Any whites? You know what? I'm over it. Let's just go. Fuck it. It's too much effort. The key? Whatever. Watch me get a legendary out of this key coming up. Big damn. Lucari is in a hot tube with hot shakes while you're playing Risk of Rain. Lucari's just a fucking really cool dude, man. What can I say? Lucari is bussin', as the kids say. Fuck, I should have saved up money. I griefed. Maybe somebody thinks you're cool too. Think so? Really? Alright, I want to keep up one flaming little dragon, dude. Guys I'm killing right now. Just one, though. I think I fucked up, because all that's left of these big fucks. Yep, I keep accidentally clearing it with my Yuki. Gasoline. Big damn. Damn, of course the elite's the last one alive. Wait, there's one more. Don't be elite, please. Hey, 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 get out of the zone. Come in here. Yeah, beat my ass. Come here. Hit me. Hit me. Thank you. Are you fucking stupid? Monsters items. They have a delicate watch. They all do 25% increased damage right now. Which is fucked. Alright, you're annoying me. Remove yourself from life. Take a banner. Okay, I like that. For penny spamming. Ouch, my HP. Fuck it, more bleed is cool. Fucking gunners. Ouch, my health. Oh, hell yeah. 40% crit chance now. Ow. Loot this? Death mark. I'll take it. Fuck, we're moving. Okay. Yeah, I've got the left click, so every time I crit, it's... Is that a glasses printer? %50 crit chance. Alright, looks like I'll have enough money to kind of do everything here, honestly. I'm gonna start this. God damn it. Oh boy, a delicate watch. Alright, I can't go below 25% health now. Hit me. Hit me. He's gonna die to my razor wire. God dang it. Yeah, he just dies. Fuck it. What did I get? God. Ooh, ooh, hello. Credit card. This is good. Gives me more items from tri-stores if there are any. Kroby is good. Tri-store. Fuck, I just kind of panicked. Did I just lose my watches? I didn't. Thank fuck. I would have cried. But I did lose my potion. Alright, we're about to get into a bitrate zone where no one knows what's going on anymore. Including me. Alright, more attack speed and movement speed. Oh, I forgot to get this one too. Another ATG. Fuck yeah. Boss wave. Boss is dead. Get owned, pussy. There's another boss over here. All right, how many waves are... It's a bunch of fire elites, but I think I'm good. Oh my god. Excellent. Oh man, I gotta get the legendary, right? You gotta get the double healing. I mean, this will be crazy healing, but you gotta get it. It doubles your healing. I just hate that it's paired up against a Scythe, which is like arguably the best healing weapon for me. Maybe like Corrupted Shrooms will be a little better, but... Is there anything I can really reach? I don't have a lot of mobility and I don't have a lot of HP either, so... I don't think so. I think I just send it. Leave. Soda, you can get more Scythes, but Legendary is right. Exactly. You're right. Yeah, the only thing that's really going to allow me to explore more territory is Corrupted Shrooms and the Legendary that gives me more controls. More teleports, right? Oh, fuck me. This is actually scary as fuck, by the way. These guys can hit me so hard. Especially since they have corrupted watches. Another wisp. Fuck. What sucks is I don't really have any mobs that I can leave alive and farm gold off of by getting hit intentionally. Because all of them fuck me. I guess I can stand in these, but it's not, those don't permanently last, right? Buy the full tri-store. Make use of my credit card. Attack speed, hell yeah. I think I can get that without losing my my watch. It costs 50% HP to open it. I can't go below 20%, so that means I can only lose 30% of my health there and back. I only have one teleport. It's risky. Oh, whoa. Are you... Let's get some movement speed. Yeah, maybe my little ball will walk towards it. We'll see. Let's get a little potion. Okay, halfway through the boss wave. Oh boy. Just killed him. God, this whole map is littered with shit. Fucking hate this place. What the fuck? I don't know what any of this does. Do I want any of these? Blues are scary. Do I want any of those? No? Okay. Why are we going this way? Aw, you motherfucker. Fuck, I'm not gonna be able to get those void balls. There's a yellow printer for a defense nucleus. Nice. Decent spot. Any void? Not really. Whoa. Almost proc my potion there, but I didn't. Fuck. Alright, I move. No more money. Let's just send it. Maybe I'll get some crazy items or something, and that'll let me travel farther and get the stuff that's really far away. Maybe now that it's wider, you can. Ooh, like right. Wait, you might be right. Should I send it? Should I try and go grab that? I mean, I'll lose a potion if I fail. Like, I don't die. It just... It should be easy. Remember, grabbing it takes 50% of my health, right? Potion didn't proc. Holy fuck. Oh my god, it's the band. Ooh, my health. I gotta heal up before I go out there and grab it. More bleeds. Another medikit, fuck it. Maybe I should have gotten a medkit. double tri-store over there. I need a lot of money before I go buy everything from it. How many bleeds do I have? 8? Oh my god, I didn't realize I have 8 daggers. So wait, what's 4 times 6? Okay. I can buy the double tri-store now. Where is it? Fuck it, I'm gonna play it safe. Let's go back. Playing Osu for a second there. All right, there's another tri-store. Where is it? There it is. I see it. I'm getting stacked out of my fucking mind right now. And I only have one legendary that's a healing one. If I get like an Omega legendary, it's curtains. Like a dagger or Clover would be huge too. I mean, some type of DPS legendary. Big. There's a void item by that pillar. I'm sure the problem is getting it is so fucking difficult, man. Because it costs 50% of my health to get it. See what I'm saying? I already have a band right now, so maybe I want a guillotine, to be honest with you. It's close. Where is it? Let me see. Oh, that's pretty close. Okay, let me see my health. Oh my god, my teddy bear blocked the damage. I cannot believe that. What is... Safer space. Ah, what the? Do I want that? Void teddy bear as Huntress? I think I might actually. No?
It's a guarantee. So basically, for those that don't know, right now, non-corrupted teddy bears, each one gives you like a 10% chance to block an attack, right? And of course, the more you get, the lower the percentage. There's a soft cap. The void teddy bears are a guaranteed chance to block an attack, but a cooldown. Huntress is a really weak character that doesn't get hit very often, but I'm not going to take it. I'm not going to do it. I'm trying to see what else I could loot. Oh, there's another void literally right here. Hell yeah. Corrupted guitar. I think that's worth. Damn, no corrupted shrooms yet, though. Corrupted shrooms would probably be the biggest one, because it'll allow me to just run around. Because you heal while moving. That's what corrupted shrooms do. Normal shrooms make you heal while standing still. There's a box right here. Another box. A couple boxes I need to grab, then I'll leave. Looking around. I think that's primarily everything, for the most part. Shield still removes one-shot protection. Whatever, I'm leaving. Take the corrupted bear. Well, unlucky. What map is this? This is the lava map. There's a guaranteed legendary on this map. But it's kind of in Africa. Hopefully the next place that this little fucker takes me to is close to it. This is so AIDS, this position that I'm in. But guillotine is definitely doing work. Oh boy. So those black hole looking things are my corrupted bands. Very big for pulling them in. Good AoE. What is that? 70% chance to crit? Alright. Pretty good. Thanks for the tier 3 sub. What the fuck? Oh my god. What do you want, man? You want something from me? Can I fucking help you? Movement speed. Damn, this entire location is just barren as fuck. They all died. Not like you need any more items. I do though. I don't know where I am. I'm lost. Mom? That's depressing. That sucks. How far did I get? Dying with 3 potions left. How does that work? I guess I just got one shot, so it didn't proc the potions. Damn. Oh, I could have stalled with my R. You're right. I could have R'd and then R'd again and then controlled back up. I don't have enough time for another run. You had lethal fall damage modifier. I do? How do I see that? Oh, on that stage? Oh, so I just got really unlucky then. Well, fuck. That's the end of my stream, dudes. I gotta go. For now, I just don't really have a lot of time for anything else, and bada bing. I gotta get up early. I'm doing a charity thing tomorrow. Not on stream. This is off stream stuff. I have like, I don't even know if I think I'm allowed to talk about it. I don't know. My brother Ryan is like on the board for some charity where it's like it's helping hard to place kids get adopted. So tomorrow I'm gonna go. What's loud? Tomorrow I'm gonna go do this thing. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna spend time with this kid, and they're going to have a whole film crew. It's gonna be like, because he likes games. So me being Ryan's brother and Ryan being on board with like the charity is like, I can get my brother to hang out with them. We could film it. It'd be really cool for like promotion, for promoting the Hard to Place Children organization. I'm like, yeah, sure, Ryan, of course. You know, Ryan asked me to do something, I always do it. It's my brother, and he helps me out a ton. So, but I don't know how this goes. Like, I show up. He doesn't know who I am, which is fine. But it's like, what do we do? Isn't this a movie? No, this isn't a movie. Well, I think they're like filming it for like a promotional thing, right? So there's going to be a film crew. My brother Ryan's going to be there. Practice your Fortnite? Yeah, I don't know. So I got to do that tomorrow, and it's early in the morning, so anyways, it's going to be weird. Yeah, but they'll probably edit that out, thank God. All right, GG's. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I won't be live tomorrow, actually, because I have that thing. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Peace out. And have a great night. Bye-bye.